Matatau praat jy?
Afrikaans,
In?
English,
Okay. In waar gaan jy skool?
by Huntley Primary,
Okay. Tēnā koutou katoa, ko tipu te maunga, ko Leespeak te awa, ko kapiti taone te kainga, no Āwherika ki te Tonga ahau, kei rāhui pūkeka e noho ana, ko Shareen April ahau. Hei health improvement practitioner, pau hapai, whānau ora taku tūranga mahi. My Te Reo Māori journey started in 2013 at Papakura Marae through the Te Waranga ao Te Roa, and it resumed in 2015 when I did my social work and biculturalism in practice, and that's when I knew that I wanted to know the language, because I believe that the more languages you know, the more windows to the world is open, and I needed the window of New Zealand to be open for me through the language. Learning Te Reo Māori gives me a connection to the people that I'm working with, and it breaks down barriers too, because they see that I'm interested in them as a people. Ake, 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 a forever language means that as children, from childhood, we learned our language, both 2 languages we learned in school, a 3rd one we learned at home. It was about introducing all 3 languages simultaneously, where we'll start in English and then put in an Afrikaans word or a Xhosa word, and that is our kids would identify the things that we're speaking about. Mā te kimi ka kite, mā te kita ka moyo, mā te moyo ka marama. By seeking you will discover, by discovering you will know, by knowing you will become enlightened. And so Te Reo Māori has enlightened my world of the Māori people.